Hello, YouTube. Uh, this is welcome to. I'm new at this, so if I screw it up, oh well. Welcome to my channel. I'm making a YouTube channel because I just like to do stuff. I'm amateur hack. I don't have a degree in welding. I don't have a degree in engineering. I don't have a degree in anything exciting or even remotely to do it. What you're about to see on this channel. This will be the second video. The first video I made was a test video. Probably gonna make some videos. I have a what do you call it? Christ, why can't I say it? I have a milling machine vise. I'm gonna, what do you call it? Basically, I'm not really restoring. I'm just cleaning it up and repainting it. I need to put on my milling machine. I'm gonna make new jaws for it. I'll show you a bunch of tools that I own. I bought a couple of old. I like buying old tools. If you look behind me, I have a snap-on toolbox full of tools. Not because I don't use them. I just buy tools and I tend to use them. I usually buy like I'll buy a tool that I've never used before and try to figure out how to use it, or I'll pick a project and find some use for it. Like last year, I bought a spot welder for a project. It was pretty cool. I got a few ideas on how to use that again. So basically, my channel is gonna be a bunch of things I'm working on, random stuff. Like I got a table I found on the side of the road I'm gonna fix. I have kitchen cabinets that I'm making for my house. I have what do you call it? I have a project for a friend. It's an earring rack, but thanks to the pandemic, she does powwows, so that was canceled. I got bored and decided to replicate some metal chairs that I decided to replicate a chair that a friend of mine gave me. So far I have four of them. I have to figure out how to make either a metal top or a wooden top, and I got to drill some holes and put some rivets in to make it look cool. And they actually came out pretty good. They're behind me, and got a couple things to finish. And I recently repainted my record vise. It used to be my father's, made in England. And then I found a, what do you call it, Chaz Parker vise, which is in my bench here, which I recently stripped down, painted, and basically clear coated. It looks pretty good. And so I just like to do stuff. Uh, I guess over time I'll show people in my shop. It's kind of nerve-wracking. I'm not used to this. I haven't been in front of an audience in a long time. I used to be guest speakers and all kinds of stuff when I was in university. Yeah, I studied history at University of Amherst in Massachusetts. A little bit about myself. I was in the U.S. Army. What else? I worked in my father's computer store for a number of years, and I own my own store, so it's just a hobby. I do it on the weekends or whenever I have free time. I got a wife and three kids, so don't got a lot of time, but I do have some time, and this is the thing I enjoy doing. It keeps me sane. I like collecting scrap on the side of the road. I have a that's what I do. I have a chair, two chairs. I refinished one actually. I'll show you. Watch, check this. Is cool. See, I redid a chair found in the garbage. I I own a MIG welder. I own a TIG welder. I'm not very good at the TIG, but I guess I'll have to practice using this channel. My MIG welder, I'm not bad. I've watched weld.com and a whole bunch of other things, and you know, I've learned. My father used to teach welding, and I don't think as a kid he really wanted us to become welders. He wanted us to find an indoor job where you didn't break your back and destroy your body outside and stuff. So he basically told us to go to school and university. I think I should have went to welding school because even though I'm getting older, I still would like to go to welding school. So I talked about in the interview this tripod. Well, I'm gonna get the little box and show you some. I bought this little tripod thing at the suggestion of, I think his name is Arco. He's on Outlaw Edge Customs in Minnesota. Thank you for telling me to go to Walmart to find this, because I would have had no clue where the hell to buy this. It's actually pretty cool. I'm using my phone. And so anyway, I hope somebody joins my channel. And I hope I get used to my voice and my face on this channel, because I'm not used to looking at my face except for when I brush my teeth and get up in the morning. But yeah, you can laugh. My wife thinks it's kind of funny. Well, I mean, kind of cool. This probably be the first and probably the last time you'll see this face, unless I'm doing something with a helmet on. We're all not used to it. There's all these beautiful people on whatever. So I'm just an average Joe. I watch tons of YouTube videos. If you look at my subscription list, I probably watched all of them. Watched all the famous ones that are big YouTubers. Anyway, I hope I have something to offer people, and I hope I get some subscribers. And like I said, I'm doing this for fun. I'm not doing this to get rich or become whatever. You know, I just like building stuff. It keeps me sane. The part behind me is mostly what do you call it? Tools and junk. The part in front of me is where I do a lot of metal work, and over there, I have a wood section as far as I could over there. It's not a very big garage. So there's also a car and a M274 Mule that's behind me. That's in the way if you can't. No, I'm not showing you. There's too much junk. Anyway, I'll end this video and I'll try to make another one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe and, I don't know, tell all your friends. It'll work. Hold on, turn it off here.